Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a superfood that can help you fight arthritis and reduce inflammation in your joints. But first, I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video as it motivates me to bring more helpful and quality content for all of you. Arthritis is a common condition that affects millions of people around the world. It causes pain, stiffness, and swelling in the affected joints, and can limit your mobility and quality of life. But did you know that there is a natural way to combat arthritis without relying on drugs or surgery? That's right, I'm talking about turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in Asian cuisine and medicine. It has a bright yellow color and a warm, earthy flavor. But what makes turmeric so special is its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that can help reduce the symptoms of arthritis and protect your joints from further damage. How does curcumin work? Well, it blocks the activity of certain enzymes and proteins that are involved in the inflammatory process. It also scavenges the free radicals that cause oxidative stress and tissue damage. By doing so, curcumin can lower the levels of inflammatory markers in your blood, such as C-reactive protein and interleukin-6. It can also improve the function and flexibility of your joints and reduce the pain and stiffness that you feel. But how much turmeric do you need to consume to get these benefits? According to some studies, you need at least 500 milligrams of curcumin per day to see significant results. That's equivalent to about 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. However, not all turmeric powders are created equal. Some may have low curcumin content or may contain additives or contaminants. That's why I recommend using a high-quality organic turmeric powder that has at least 95% curcuminoids. You can find this kind of turmeric powder online or in health food stores. There are many ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet. You can add it to your soups, stews, curries, rice, or smoothies. You can also make a delicious turmeric tea by boiling a cup of water with a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and some honey or lemon juice. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, so don't skip it. You can drink this tea once or twice a day to boost your immunity and fight inflammation. Another option is to take a turmeric supplement that contains curcumin and black pepper extract. This is a convenient and effective way to get the optimal dose of curcumin without having to consume a lot of turmeric. You can find these supplements online or in health food stores. Just make sure to follow the instructions on the label and consult your doctor before taking any supplements, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking any medications. Turmeric is a superfood that can help you fight arthritis and improve your joint health. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can reduce the pain, stiffness, and swelling in your joints and protect them from further damage. It is also safe and natural with minimal side effects. So why not give it a try and see for yourself how turmeric can make a difference in your life? I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who may benefit from this information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.